Kasi may iba't ibang klase ng leadership. Merong mga pinuno na ang pamamaraan ng pamumuno ay domination. Para ako mamuno, ako yung magkokontrol ng lahat. Merong leadership na sa pamamagitan ng bullying. I will command obedience by bullying. There's a leadership pero hindi mo naman maramdaman yung leadership. So iba't ibang klase ang leadership. And so we qualify that one of the Christian ways of exercising leadership is through servant leadership. Who is a leader? A leader is someone who leads by serving. He leads by serving. He serves by leading.